Financial accounting deals with financial statements. Financial statements deal with assets. There are current assets such as cash, accounts receivable, inventory and supplies. There are non-current assets such as long-term investments, property, plant, and equipment. Then there's liability and shareholders' equity that deals with accounts payable, notes payable, bank loan payables. Typically, you see these in Microsoft Excel spreadsheets or CSV files, and even PDFs. Instead of using a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or a CSV to store our values, we will use a Python data dictionary. As a data dictionary has a key and a value pair, we will use default values of 0 for our template. And based on the needs of your financial statement of what is there and what isn't, it's very flexible. But for this basic template, we have our standards of what is in a financial statement. And if something doesn't apply for your case, it's not a big deal. You can ignore it or you can delete it and then add it back later. Really does not make a big difference. The dictionary above looks crazy, but it is one way to add custom keys and value. The data dictionary is very flexible and you can use it repeatedly. You can easily just get the values of your data dictionary by using .values function on the dictionary. Regardless of where the key is in the dictionary, it will be found and used. To add to our data dictionary skeleton, we call our data dictionary by its name, brackets, and in quotation, our key name, then you assign it its value. Note that we use underscores and not commas. So as you go through your specified financial statement, you add what is in the financial statement and assign its value. For our example here, we have quite a lot to add, and we end with financial statement shareholders' equity of 2,213,363. Let's run our code cell, and initialize it. Now that we have our data dictionary ready to use, we can simply pass it inside a function. And I will show you what it looks like for its calculation. And in 0.3 seconds, by passing in our financial statement data dictionary, we get our current assets, non-current assets, current liabilities, non-current liabilities, shareholders' equity, our balance of equality, working capital, current liquidity ratio, debt to total assets, and net income, just by passing in our data dictionary. And you can repeat this over and over again based on your certain data dictionaries. And you can also pass in multiple data dictionaries if you wanted to.